my harmonies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Symphony. I film beauty, fashion, and lifestyle content, and if you guys enjoy those types of videos, please make sure to like this video and of course subscribe to my channel to join the harmony. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a waist trainer and a waist wrap band from Atbuty, and I'm also going to be reviewing them for you guys because you guys know it's summer and we trying to get snatched over here. And if you don't want to get snatched, that's fine, because these are perfect for posture. They don't even just help you with your posture and giving you an hourglass figure, they also give you a lot of support in the chest area, especially if you have like a bigger chest. They do help you sweat, so in case you do want to work out with it, you can definitely sweat with these waist trainers on. Let me show you guys how my stomach actually is right now. I am really bloated. The waist trainer is definitely going to help me snatch this up. The first item that I have to show you guys from Atbuty is this black waist wrap band. Not all the time people are gonna be wanting to wear something that's like super snatched, so you can also adjust this if you want to be super snatched, or you can also adjust this if you want it to be more loose and comfortable. But yeah, I still have the tag on it, so this is what it looks like. And it's very lightweight too, but very durable at the same time. Hand wash, do not bleach, do not use dryer, hang to dry in the shade, do not iron, and do not wring. I have got this in a size medium, fits me the best, and this is very long. So with that being said, I did do this part right here. I'm not sure if it actually goes like this because there's this part that's right here, and I just put it through the hole, and yeah, and I just step underneath it, and then I just tighten it instead of it getting loose and all that. So I make sure that I use this part at least just to make sure it gets tight. And I am going to be cutting this off right here. But I did test this out for you guys, by the way, if you were curious, and this is actually comfortable because it is really adjustable. So let me just cut that off. I just like having it right here. When you do this, you want to make sure that it's as tight or as loose as you want, but you know, the tighter it is, the more it's going to help you with your posture or shrink your waist, whatever you're comfortable doing. And then I just pretty much wrap it. You don't want to wrap it in the same area over and over because it's not going to really do much, so you kind of have to lift it up while you're wrapping at the same time. One, two, three, four, five of them, so this can definitely fit with any type of body shape that you may have. So I'm just going to wrap it all the way from fourth one with this row. These are very durable, and I had no issues while putting this on. Since I kind of want the logo to show, I'm gonna just twist it around like that, adjust it a little bit, and then boom, I'm all snatched up. And with the logo, I like how it's pink because you guys know I like pink. But besides that, this is actually comfortable. I feel like I can breathe, and it also gives me a nice little curve. I'm so glad that this fits with any type of shape you have because it literally has 5 different buckle areas and they're really sturdy. Besides using this for your back posture and your chest area, this is perfect for after fat reduction surgery, postpartum surgery repair, any type of stomach thing you got going on that you got done. It will definitely help you snatch up, give you a curve while you be comfortable. And if you have a bare belly too, you're trying to shrink that down, this will definitely help with that as well. Now I'm gonna take this off and I'll tell you guys more details about the waist trainers and everything with the next one I have to show you guys. So the next waist trainer that I have is the 11-inch waist trainer wrap with hooks on it. This is how it looks on the inside. It just has the hooks. Then on the outside, it has the wrapping with a zipper in the middle. We're gonna start off with the first area right here, this part. Especially if you're new to this, or if you haven't worn a waist trainer in a long time, you really want to start off slow. Already it's snatching me up literally, and not even done yet for the wrap portion. And oh, this is definitely going to snatch me. I can feel it. I can literally feel it. And this is so comfortable to wear. I'm not feeling like I'm suffocating, and that's always my main concern with waist trainers. And now look, I am completely snatched. This is definitely helping on my posture and sitting these up right here and snatching me, giving me that hourglass figure. And with their waist trainers and waistbands and just everything on their website, they have a good body shaping effect, and this is not going to deform easily at all because of the latex material and just how it's made and just the quality of it. And one of the most important things is that it does not hold in the bacteria, and you guys know that can cause infections and give you body acne too, and it's just no. So with their products, they do not have that issue at all. Make sure you guys go check out Atbuty waist trainers. I'll leave their website and all their information in the description box down below. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below what you guys think about these products. Let me know your guys' thoughts and opinions. Subscribe to join the Harmony to see more videos like this and just videos from me in general. But I love you guys so much, and God bless you all in Jesus' name. And I'll see you guys in my next video.